In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add grid lines to your designs here in Canva. Now, grid lines are perfect if you want to make sure that everything's lined up in your design. So what we want to do is come up to File up here in the left-hand corner. Then we want to come to Settings, and we can enable Show Rulers and Guides just by clicking on there. Now, if we look to the left, we have the rulers just here. Now, to drag these onto your design, all we want to do is come up to the ruler and drag down to the bottom. Then we can put it wherever we want. Let's put it there, and we can also do the same on the left hand side as well by clicking and dragging. And again, this is a great way just to make sure that everything's lined up in your design. Now, to disable this, we can do the same thing. So we can click onto the line and then just drag back up to the rulers, just like that. Now, there is another option with guides as well. So if we come up to File, come back to Settings, we can actually add guides as well, just here. Now, if we click on there, we do have a few different options. We can already choose between the different types of columns. So we can choose 12, 3, and a 3 by 3 as well. If we click on Custom, we can choose this to be whatever we want. So we could put 15 like so, and we could put 5 in here. It all comes down to you and your designs, and if we want to add these, we can simply click on Add Guides just like that, and now we can see that these guides have been added. Now, these guides automatically get locked in place, so you can't move them. But to unlock them, we want to come back up to File, come back onto Settings, and then we can see this just here where it says Lock Guides. If we click on there, it's going to unlock them, and now these can be moved. And if you no longer need the guides, the quickest way to do this is to click onto your design. We can then right click, come down to where it says Guides, and we can clear guides just here. Now, as you can see, this is another way to lock and unlock guides as well. But if we click on Clear Guides, the guides are no longer there. So that's just how easy it is to show grid lines and guides here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.